Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Today we have this piano from Big Fun. I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, but first some things you need to know. Guys, this keyboard is really fun. It has 37 keys, and guys, this is one of these pianos where it has a lot of really cool functions at a great price. On the back here, you can insert batteries, run this battery powered. If not, you just run it right here through a USB and it can run that way as well. If you look over here, you push these buttons, and it will give you piano, vibraphone, organ, guitar, violin, harp, trumpet, and clarinet. And just to see what that sounds like a little bit, guys, we're gonna push this real quick. That's piano. Let's try harp. Violin. So guys, it sounds great. Over here on this side, you have some different built-in tempos and stuff you can do, like drums and different sets, different rhythms. Over here is some drum sets you can play. If you push this button, you can set it to animal noises. That's kind of fun for kids. There's also some demos these come built in with. But guys, just overall, it sounds like a great piano, and what you get with it is it's very small, it's very portable. I think it sounds up to par with a lot of these really nice units, but this is more for, like, you know, of course, like a kid or something portable on the road that you just want to mess with. It's just a fun toy. My favorite thing just has to be the fact of how small it is, how compact it is. Guys, these speakers on this thing sound great. At the price that you get this, I couldn't ask for any more. I think it just sounds good. It's just a lot of fun, especially with my nieces and nephews. They love to jump on this thing, play with the keys, play with the sounds, have a great time. I just highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.